Good morning students. Today we will start with the next application of derivative, that is approximation, on which your exercise 6.4 is based. And in this exercise there are basically two type of problems. And for both the problems there are certain terms which you have to remember. And what are those? Suppose y is equal to fx is a function where x is the independent variable and y is depending upon x. Then this delta x is called small change in x and delta y is called small change in y. And how this delta y is given? Delta y is equal to fx plus delta x minus fx. Clear? And differential of x is denoted by dx. It is also called delta x. Differential of y is called dy or delta y. It is given by dy by dx into delta x. This is very important, which you have to remember. Delta y is equal to dy by dx into delta x. Delta x is the small change in x and delta y is the small change in y. So you have to remember this formula. How you will find delta y? It will be dy by dx into delta x. Now there are two type of problems. First problem is you have to find the approximate value of certain root using the differential. For example, you have to find the approximate value of cube root of any number. Here it is 25 using differentials. So what are the steps for finding any root, square root, cube root or nth root of any number? What are the steps? The steps are same in every question. And what are the steps? Firstly, you will consider y is equal to x raised to power 1 by 3. If it is fourth root, x raised to power 1 by 4. If it is fifth root, x raised to power 1 by 5. Now y is x raised to power 1 by 3. And we have to find 25 raised to power 1 by 3. It means we have to find x plus delta x raised to power 1 by 3. We have to find here x plus delta x raised to power 1 by 3. Now what is x? We are saying x plus delta x. So you have to write 25 as x plus delta x. So you can write 25 as 27 minus 2. Where x is 27 and delta x is minus 2. Means you have to write, you have to choose x in such a way that its cube root can be find out easily. So what is the cube root of 27? It is 3. So you will choose, you will write 25 as 27 minus 2. If it is 26, 27 minus 1. If it is 28, 27 plus 1. So what is this? This is x, this is delta x. Now we have to find x plus delta x raised to power 1 by 3. And what is the formula? Formula is x plus delta x raised to power 1 by 3 is equal to x raised to power 1 by 3 plus this delta y. This is the formula. X plus delta x raised to power 1 by n is equal to x ki 1 by n plus delta y. So x plus delta x raised to power 1 by 3 is x raised to power 1 by 3 plus delta y. And delta y I have told you it is dy by dx into delta x. So finally x plus delta x raised to power 1 by 3 is x ki 1 by 3 plus 1 by 3 x ki 2 by 3. This is your dy by dx and this is delta x. Now you will just keep the values of x and delta x here. And with this you can get the approximate value of cube root of 25 and it is coming 2.926. Secondly, another example, find the approximate value of 82 raised to power 1 by 4. Here in 82 you can write as 81 and 1. So x is 81 and delta x is 1. Now x plus delta x raised to power 1 by 4 you have to find out. So what is the formula? X raised to power 1 by 4 plus delta y. And delta y is what? Dy by dx into delta x. And what is dy by dx? It will be 1 by 4 by into 3 by 4, x raised to power 3 by 4 into delta x. Now you will put x 81 divided by and delta x 1. So after putting the values you will get 3.009. So these are how to find the approximate value of certain root like cube root and here fourth root. Now second problem is, in the second type we have to find the approximate change or error of one quantity which depend upon the other quantity. Clear? Also जो change in delta x, change in x which is delta x, that is given to us. And again we will use the same formula, delta y is equal to dy by dx into delta x. Example is, if the radius of a sphere is measured as 9 cm with an error of 0.03 cm, then find the approximate error in calculating its volume. Means approximate change in radius is given to you. Delta r is given to you. This is 0.03. And r is given to you 9. This is r, this is delta r. You have to find delta v or dv. Now what is the relation between v and r? V is equal to 4 by 3 pi r cube, because in case of a sphere it is the volume of the sphere. Now dv by dr is, you have to find delta v na, so it will be dv by dr into delta r. So firstly find dv by dr, it will be 4 pi r square. Keep the value here into delta r. Now r is what? 9. What is delta r? 0.03. So what is dv coming out? It is 9.72 pi centimeter cube. So if there is an error of 0.03 centimeter in radius, then the approximate change in volume of a sphere is 9.72 pi centimeter cube. Means whenever the approximate change in one quantity is given to you, you can find out very easily the approximate change or approximate error in other quantity, which is depending upon the given quantity. Clear? Thank you.